A very good day to you, little ones. Today we are going to learn a new letter through a story. Are you ready? Listen carefully. This is the story of Joe, the baby kangaroo. This is the story of Joe, the baby kangaroo. One windy day, Joe went out to play with his kite. വിൻഡി ഡേ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താ അറിയാവോ? വിൻഡി ഡേ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നല്ല കാറ്റുള്ള ദിവസം. കാറ്റുണ്ടെങ്കിലല്ലേ ഈ കൈറ്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ പറപ്പിക്കാനായിട്ട് പറ്റുള്ളൂ അല്ലേ? This is the right day to fly a kite, said Joe. Then he held the kite up in the wind and it began to fly away. Come on, little kite, what do you see? Asked Joe. I see a kitten playing with key, replied Kite. Kitten playing with key. Up and up rose the kite. Come on, little kite, what do you see? Joe asked again. I see a koala bear on a tree eating kiwi fruit. Koala bear on a tree eating kiwi fruit. The wind blew stronger. The little kite flew higher and higher. Come on, little kite, what do you see? I see a king in the palace pouring tea from the kettle. King in the palace pouring tea from the kettle, replied Kite. Finally, the kite sailed on the blue sky. Joe felt very excited. Suddenly, the string broke. The poor little kite plunged down and down. Oh no! Screamed Joe. But he did not leave his little kite. He hopped and caught the kite before it fell down the ground. Do not worry, my little kite, I will fix you right now, said Joe to his little kite. Then he returned his home with his kite. Children, did you like the story? Now, Miss will ask you some questions. Who was Joe? Joe was baby kangaroo. With what was he playing with? He playing with a kite. What did the kite see first time? A kitten playing with a key. What did the kite see the next time? A koala bear on a tree eating kiwi fruit. What did the kite see the third time? The king pouring tea. How was the king pouring tea? Yes, from the kettle, pouring the tea. Children, did you see any similarities in these words? Let us repeat the words. Kangaroo, kite, kitten, key, koala, kiwi, king, kettle. All these words starts with the same sound k. One letter is making the sound k. Do you know? What letter is that? Yes, letter K makes the sound k. Which letter makes the sound k? Letter K makes the sound k. Let us repeat the words. K. Kangaroo, k. Kite, k. Kitten, k. Key, k. Koala, k. Kiwi, k. King, k. Kettle. Children, I hope you understand the words and its phonics. Now let us learn the phonic song of letter K. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky, we are flying in the sky. Children, did you enjoy the song? Now, let us learn the action. Show like this, like we are flying the kite, okay? Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. We are flying in the sky. Did you enjoy the song? Now, let us do the worksheet activity. Which letter today we learn? Letter K. Phonic sound of letter K. K. Which letter did you learn today? Letter K. Phonic sound of letter K. K. Let us repeat the words once again. K. Kangaroo. K. Kite. K. Kitten. K. Key. K. Koala. K. Kiwi. K. King. K. Kettle. Okay, now let us do the worksheet. Okay, first question, color the capital letter K and small letter k. You can choose any color. Then start. Color within the border. This is small letter K. You have to color this letter K. Now the next question. These pictures begin with letter K. Say the name of each out and listen for the letter K sound. Color the picture. K. Kangaroo. K. Kite. K. Koala. K. Key. K. Kitten. K. Kingfisher. You have to color these pictures. Likewise, you have to complete the worksheet. Children, which letter did you learn today? Letter K. K sound K. Children, practice at home. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.